What's going on, people, YouTubers, faithful followers? Uh, First off, I want to say I apologize to you guys about the lack of videos lately. My motivation has been tremendously down lately. Getting over my flu, and even though I thought I was like over it, man, I was still going through some health issues. More of a cleanse, like a reset button. I don't really get sick very often because I'm extremely healthy. I eat healthy, I exercise, I do a lot of different things that keep me, keep my body and my mind optimal, right? But, every so often we go through a reset inside of our own bodies, and it's important for us to listen to those things and take some time away, to rebalance and gather ourselves. But I'm back, back, and I got a good video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about simple, basic crypto trading, and this is an extremely easy way. I mean, you could actually earn a full-time living doing micro trades with this simple method. Using maybe like a service like Bittrex or pretty much any other cryptocurrency platform out there, crypto trading platform out there. And right now, like let's talk about the validity of Bitcoin Cash exploding. We're at 500% explosion. It was at $500 24 hours ago. And then boom, they just exploded up to 2,475. And actually, I haven't refreshed this page, so we'll look at Bitcoin Cash right now. Oh, hang on one sec here. Let me get this internet turned back on. Fresh. We're at coinmarketcap.com. Okay, so yeah, $2,365. Bitcoin was just at 6,200. Second ago, it was at 5,900. I mean, the market is going bananas right now, but it's the perfect time to start leveraging, altcoins, alternative coins, because of the drop in them. A couple coins that I take advantage of personally myself would be, Omai's Go, or whatever the hell you say it. That's gone down to a pretty nice, price point, 673. I'm surprised I didn't get in an EOS there. Stellar Luminous, yeah, maybe, it's kind of, this one's really iffy. I don't know, but I'd probably get a couple coins in that. For the most part, I kind of stick to the predictable trading markets like Bitcoin, now Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple. I don't even really touch Ripple because Ripple is basically stays around 18 to 20 cents. But yeah, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin are probably the easiest trading coins you're going to be able to take advantage of when the markets start going up and down. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to benefit and profit from this. This is a very simple trading technique, okay? I'm going to show you right now. I'm on Bittrex. So, we're talking about Bitcoin Cash right now, okay? Bitcoin Cash. So, whenever you do your trades, so let's say you bought, I don't know, $150 worth of Bitcoin Cash with Bitcoin, okay? And let's say you bought when the market was at like 1,500. That's when I bought. I bought at the 1,500 mark. And stupid me, I sold at the 1,900 mark and I lost an extra $400 that I could have made. Well, I mean $400 based on how much volume I bought, right? But I lost that. So, but what I did though is when you hit a high, when you hit a peak. So let's say I bought in at $1,500 with Bitcoin Cash, and it hits $2,400, and I'm like, oh, is it going to go any higher? No. All right. Let's just say I take a personal opinion on the matter. I looked at the charts, the market, and I said, no, okay, it's not going to go any higher. Maybe you make a mistake and maybe you don't predict the right outcome here, but maybe it doesn't go any higher, right? Let's refresh it here. See, look, it was just at 2,365. Now it's at 2,390. It's so volatile right now, right? However, so it hit, let's say we want to sell at 2,400. What we do is we trade BCC, Bitcoin Cash, for US dollar tender currency. Okay. And the reason why is because US dollar tender currency stays at $1. You will neither lose nor gain. I mean, I can't predict the future, but based on the market, USDT never drops, I mean, you might lose like a penny, or here, or half a penny or something like that, but you just won't lose. So basically, when you sell all your Bitcoin, cash, so I don't really have very much here, you can see, but let's just say, I want to sell all my Bitcoin cash. All right. And let's say I take the last price and I sell Bitcoin Cash. What would happen is I'd get the exact value of what the market says it's worth, right? So if I have one Bitcoin Cash, let's say I have two Bitcoin Cash, then I'd get probably a $4,800 worth of US dollar tender. Now, let's say after that, Bitcoin Cash drops back down, but you still hold the value of $4,800 in US dollar tether, yeah. And so what I would do, so let's say Bitcoin has dropped to $5,800. So if you used all $4,800, you'd get more Bitcoin in your value because Bitcoin drops. So they'd have to give you more points, more Satoshis to cover the drop in value. Or you can hold the Bitcoin, the US dollar tether value that you had. And let's say Bitcoin Cash drops back down to 1,500 again, right? Then you just buy more Bitcoin Cash, wait for it to skyrocket up, sustain the value profit margin at that point, and buy more US dollar tether currency, right? And basically that is a very simple way to trade and sustain value without losing value when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand, okay? Buy low, sell high. Sustain value with US dollar tether, and just do rinse and repeat. And if you do this all day, I mean, if you spend 5-6 hours doing this, you probably could bank a good $100-200 a day. Just whether or not you have the patience to sit there and monitor the market, monitor your ins, monitor your outs. So I don't have time to do that all the time. I'm a full-time daddy. I got different businesses that I run as well. But, I want to eventually gear towards this. This is what I want to do because it's so easy, make $200, $300, $400, $500 a day just trading based on the volatility of these markets and predicting these things. Now, you can't seriously predict an entire outcome within 4 or 5 minutes, but you can hit it if you're monitoring it properly and you're monitoring it and you know what's going on, and you know when it's time to sell. Then you could profit dramatically with this. You could probably quit your JLB doing this just alone, right? Just using the US dollar tether method, and there's a lot of people there's not a whole lot to it. There's not a whole lot to trading. This is basically in a nutshell what all the top traders do, right? And you don't need to buy a lot of courses, don't I? Just, use the method that I share with you right here. And just be analytical, predict your timing, and spend some time to learn how the market rises and drops. But it's not even rocket science in that matter at all either. If you're monitoring the markets and you see, okay, it just dropped 10%, boom, it's my exit time, right? So I'm going to sell. And I'm going to keep all my value at that point, right? Don't get greedy, right? Just remember, it's about making money. If you go to casino and you're up $300-400, and then you're like, oh, I want to try to get a couple more $100, but then you lose $300 because you got greedy. Well, now you're down to $100. Now you're down to $20, and you should have left earlier, right? Is basically what happened. So if you like this video, how to crypto trading for beginners, or how to trade cryptocurrency, how to trade Bitcoin Cash, how to trade Bitcoin, subscribe to my channel. I'm learning how to crypto trade as well, but I'm a very logical thinker. I'm very analytical. I sucked at math in high school, but I'm great at math now. And I'm just all about collecting those dollar signs and helping people, you know. So subscribe to my channel. On Mondays, I do motivational Mondays, where I share pieces of my story, my wisdom, what I've learned, and just how my life is unfolding and progressing. And I like to share those things with people to inspire them and motivate them. Basically sharing my experience in life based on my results, right? So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Peace.